channel and welcome to another video. That was weird, wasn't it? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. So today's video is essentially a bag haul, because that is the majority of this entire haul in general, but I do have some miscellaneous pieces that I want to show you really quickly. So I'm gonna fly through those and then we'll get to the bags, and hopefully this video isn't too long, so let's jump right in. First though, so the first thing that I got is this gigantic what is this called? I guess this is the first thing that I got. I initially wanted a purple and white one, but they didn't have any, so this one was the biggest one that like this thing is huge, but it would be so much nicer if I was just a little bit smaller, so it would sit like a shift dress, if you kind of get what I mean. So this is how it looks. It's huge. It's actually really big. Like it's actually also really long. I don't know who this person is, Jack Johnson. I just like the aesthetic that it gives. Don't drag me, please. So we went to H&M and I got this cute flannel shirt. Super cute. It's long enough to be a dress, and okay, this is major. Okay, are you listening? This was on sale. It was $100, okay? And I got a size US 14, UK 44. Guys, US 14, I know for a fact I'm not a 14. It's really big. I would have liked like one size up, just because the arms, they're not uncomfortable, but they like fit. It has pockets, you guys, like legitimate full pockets. Like, it's insane. It's actually ridiculous. It's super big. I like that. I like how it sits too. I just wish it was like a smidge looser, but I guess that's probably my fault. The other thing that I got from H&M, which is the initial reason why I went there, was leggings. I got one pair of leggings. I just want to test them out, because the last time I got from Edgar's and they were really shitty. I think I wore them like 3 times before they started actually wearing on the inner thigh, which is ridiculous, because like, you know, give me a good solid like 8 wears, okay? So I'm gonna try these from H&M. These were $129, I think. $150. These were $150. These are in an extra large, and these are from their basics section. They're just black leggings. Can't wait to try these. Hopefully they last longer. Okay, so another thing that I got is just like a random book. So I'm trying to read a lot more like hard copy books, because I usually just read Wattpad, and people don't really consider those books like books. I guess people consider them as short stories or whatever, but all the same to me, I like reading, so I decided to actually get a couple of actual hard copy books. This one is called Calm the F Down. This is by Sarah Knight. I think that's everything that's not a bag, so we're gonna jump straight into these bags, and I'm going to explain why I purchased so many bags in such a short amount of time, because it's actually ridiculous. Okay, so I'm not really a handbag person, so I usually buy backpacks, and I usually carry backpacks a lot. If not a backpack, definitely a sling bag, that I think is called a sling bag. Those are usually my jam. Those I wear like all the time. Those, I love those. But I had like one that I was wearing all the time, and I didn't really feel that any of the sling bags at H&M were worth the price that they were charging, so I just carried that one like forever. And that one my sister got for me, and she'd always tell me like, why don't you get a new bag, like you can afford it, like you have enough money, like why not get a new bag, because you're always carrying this bag everywhere you go, every outfit is just this bag. And so 2019 hit me pretty hard, and I went through this like bag purchasing obsession, like binge buying phase, and I bought like an absurd amount of bags. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you these bags. Hopefully you like them. Even if you don't, I really like them. So I'm just gonna dive right in. The first bag is this one. I'm actually using that. It's kind of full. I use it today. Okay. So the first bag is this one. It's a cute little backpack. How adorable is this? It's a navy blue color. So it's navy blue, red, white, and black. So all the little accents are black and gold, and then white and blue stripes. So that's pretty cute. It's got this front zip, and when you open it up, it's just got like one, I don't know if you can see, like one little pocket on the side, and it's pretty, like it's a pretty decent size, but it's not big enough to fit like an A4 book, which was quite sad because I wanted to use it for school. But yeah, that's cute. And now this bag I got from Main Reef Chinatown, and this came as a 3-piece set. Okay, so this is the main piece, obviously. The second piece was a sling bag. How cute is this? This is bigger than the one that they offer at H&M, and you will not even believe the price that I paid for this. So anyway, let me show you. So it's just this cute little bag. It's got the tassel as well. It's a clip, what is it? It's a clip closure, and then it also has a zip, which is perfect. The last piece of the trio is this cute little like money purse bag thing. Like, I feel like you can keep your phone in here, you can keep your money in here, like you can keep whatever in here. It's just this cute little bag, and it has this long handle thing. Super cute. All 3 of these bags, you won't believe how much I paid. Are you ready? I don't think you're ready. I paid $180 for all 3 pieces. Okay, that's insanity. Like, I'm actually shook. It's insane how affordable that was. Main Reef Chinatown, like, it's the plug. Like, go check it out. They're super cute. Super cute. Okay, this is the original color that I got. I just love this beige, like with gold detailing. Like, this looks chic AF to me. So I love this color. This is the first color that I got. It's got like a Burberry vibe, which is super cute. And then it also comes with the like 3 pieces. So here's the sling bag, and it's a money bag inside. Yes. So, and then the money bag. So super cute. $180, you guys. I'm telling you. The second last bag that I have to show you is this Louis Vuitton bag. It's obviously not real, but it's from Chinatown as well. This one, I initially bought it because I wanted to carry it to school, but I kind of sat on it a little bit and I thought about it, and I'm like, it's probably not the best idea to carry it to school. It's a little provocative. It's got this front zip here, and then it's got a little pocket on the inside, actually 2 little pockets on the inside, and a zip pocket at the back here. So it's pretty spacious. It's not that big, but it's like pretty decent sized. I paid $350, so that was that bag. And then the last bag is also currently in use. This is my actual school bag. So after I bought that, and I decided that I'm not going to carry that around because I don't want to like step on anyone's toes, I went to go get this bag from Typo, and this is how this bag looks. I've seen it quite a couple of times, and I always really liked it, and so I decided it's the perfect bag. It's like no brand, so it's kind of plain simple bag. So it's got the butterfly imprint, pretty cute. It's huge, like it's really, really spacious, and it's pretty comfortable to carry. Like this is very, very comfortable, and it's got this compartment in front, and then when you open it up, it's got a compartment at the back, and then it's got like the open space, so it's kind of divided into two sections, and the one section is obviously smaller than the other. But I think that's all I have for you today. I think so. Okay, so those are all the bags, and that is everything that I have to show you. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you know where I can get leggings, just leave it down in the comments below. Be sure to like this video, subscribe if you're not already. Hit the little red subscribe button up there or down here, depending on what device you're using. Comment, like, share, subscribe, and check me out on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. I'm always on there. Or you can also check me out on Facebook if you're there a lot. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.